So in question 4, it says, can you find possible functions for f and for g so that you could write g of x inside of f of x? So you know these ones are really easy to do the way that they want you to do them, but I'll show you how to cheat on these ones as well. Because remember how last time we made one exactly the same and then made the second ones like 0 if you were adding? Or if you were multiplying, we made the second one 1, and I kind of showed you how to cheat. Well, I can show you how to cheat in this one as well. But this one, doing it the obvious way, is actually really easy as well. Okay? So when you have a composition of functions, f of g of x, you're trying to say that g of x is inside of f of x. Okay? In this one, can you see the x minus 2 is inside of something being cubed? So you could make g of x, your inside function, be the x minus 2, and your outside function is cubing whatever you get. For part B, what's inside? Can you see a 3 plus x inside of a square root? So if we make 3 plus x our inside function, what happens to the inside? It gets square rooted. Now, if you want to check to see, did I get these right? You can do the explicit equation based on your equations. F of g of x would say I would have f of, well, g of x is x minus 2. And what happens in f? Whatever you plug in gets cubed. So if I plug in x minus 2, it's going to get cubed. Does that match up? Yes. So those composition of functions work. For B, f of g of x. G of x is 3 plus x. So I would have f of 3 plus x. And what does f do? It square roots whatever you put in. So I had the square root of 3 plus x. Does that match up? Yes. But just like before, there's a way to cheat. What happens if you made g of x exactly what you wanted? What happens in B if I made g of x exactly what I wanted? What would f of x be? X. Whatever you plug in stays the same. Is that cheating a little bit? I don't know. It's always right. Again, probably shouldn't be showing you that. But it works every time. What should I make f of x here? Well, just keep it the same. And you make a composition of functions.
Sorry for the interruption.
Hello?
Hi, can I get Gavin?
All right. Questions for this last one? 3, 7, and 9.